In this lesson, we're going to get familiar with the DuckDB UI. We'll start by creating a view from our CSV file directly inside the UI. So the elevator requests are available as a table. From there, the main goal is to explore the built-in features. We'll look at data distributions, check column data types, preview some rows, and even inspect the table definition. Finally, we'll run a simple query counting monthly elevator complaints in Manhattan. The UI will automatically show us a histogram of the results so we can immediately see the trend. There are two ways to actually start the UI from DuckDB, and you can just go in here and say DuckDB and then -UI, and this will then bring up a browser. Come on. Here, this will bring up a browser, and we are going to be in, right? So this is the first option. The other option is just to, let's close this again. The other option is just to go into DuckDB and then do a call start UI. And this will do the same thing. This will start our UI on localhost 4213. And then our UI is here. So let's use this. Let's say we are creating here as a notebook. And in this notebook, we say, okay, create as a view for the elevator requests. Boom. Now we can click on this. And here we're seeing, let me make this a bit bigger for you. When we click on this, we can then see our table name, the individual columns that we have in there, and also the row count. For instance, here, row count over time for this. And we can actually explore the data a bit. How is the data distributed? So this is super helpful. We can also see the data types here, right? This is a number, this is just a varchar, and we can also preview data. We can click here, preview data, and then we have some data previewed. So it's really nice to actually use. I'm a super UI fan, so I love this one here. You can also copy the data or download the query results for this. So very straightforward. You can also see the definition of this view. Oh, let's run another query. So add a cell here, select, run that cell. And then this is basically where we looked at the complaints per month, right? And then we see this here. And for all of this, you can also then see, and you can add here on the right where you see, okay, how's this distributed? So I have two that are in the range here, 10 to 15, two here, one here, 325 to 330. So this is super helpful for you to actually look and explore the data and the results that you actually have. And that's it. You have your databases, you have your notebooks that you can run, and you can also sign into MotherDuck, but we're going to do that later.